Hey folks, this is Bob from Wild to Go Tech. Today I'm going to talk about the STANLEY J5C09 portable power station jump starter. I haven't used this particular item, but I'm very well aware of Stanley products. They happen to be headquartered. Their world headquarters is about maybe 15 miles away from where I live here in Connecticut. And they are known to produce some awesome products. So right now, this particular item has 1,000 peak and 500 instant amps. Also has an air compressor built into it and a USB port with and battery clamps. So it's got a rating of over 14,000 ratings, and they've answered over 1,000 questions. It's 12 volts. It's for passenger cars. And what I like about it is it's the brand name. I like the Stanley brand name. Delivers serious jumping and starting power with 1,000 peak amps and 500 instant starting amps. It features a 120 PSI air compressor to help inflate tires with low pressure. Also has a high-powered LED light that rotates 270 degrees to help you work in the dark. It has a built-in 12-volt DC outlet and a USB port is provided to power up electronic devices. Includes a limited one-year manufacturer's warranty. And it's a product, if you're in the market for a portable power pack, I think it's a product that you should take a look at. I'll include a link in the description to this item. And thank you very much for supporting A While to Go Tech. Take a look at our other videos. While you're here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with some more videos on current technology. I hope you have a super day. Thank you for being with us today at Wild to Go Tech. Thank you.